Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So if you want to generate this type of image, then in this video I will show you how to do that. You need to open ChatGPT and upload your any picture in which your face is clear, if possible from the front, and you need to paste this prompt. So once you will paste this prompt, here you can see the image is generated. So for prompt, you can go to my Instagram account, and in this first post you can comment as a prompt, or else the best way, go to my Telegram channel here, and here you will find this post and you will find the prompt. Directly you can copy and paste it in your ChatGPT. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.